The sound for the letters U and E together is U. It's story time. It is Samuel's birthday and he is having a party. First, Samuel and his friends play musical chairs. After that, a magician performs a magic show. He uses a magic wand and he has a big magic box with a unicorn on the side. He does a few card tricks and then he asks for someone to come and help him. You, he says, pointing at Samuel, you are the birthday boy. He continues, will you come and help me? You, shouts the children. Samuel helps the magician do a special trick. He has to wave the magic wand and say you. Right on cue, a rabbit pops out from under the magician's table. After the magic show, they all go outside and have a barbecue. Here are some words with the sound U. U, statue. U, statue. U, argue. U, argue. U, tissue. U, tissue. U, rescue. U, rescue. U, blue. U, blue. U, clue. U, clue. U, barbecue. U, barbecue. Like, share and subscribe.